Hello student, this is the question number 7 from the miscellaneous exercise. Now let us start that question number 7. I have not completed the question number 7. I will explain all the examples in a very simple language. I hope that you understood all the problems. Now let us start the question number 7. Now let us start that if y square is equals to a square cos square x plus b square sin square x, then show that y plus d2y by dx square is equals to a square b square upon y cube. Now see the solution. Y square is equals to a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. The derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Now here the derivative of cos square x, that is a 2 cos x into derivative of cos of x, which is minus sin x, plus derivative of sin square x, which is 2 sin x into derivative of sin x, which is the cos x. Therefore here is a 2b square sin x into cos x. Now see this here, there is a 2y into dy by dx minus 2 sin x into cos x into a square plus 2 sin x into cos x into b square. Now from this, 2 sin x into cos x can be written as sin of 2x, and 2 sin x into cos x can be written as, that is a sin 2x, that is a b square sin 2x. Now see this term, that is a 2y into dy by dx minus, take sin of 2x is common from these two, in bracket you will get b square minus a square into sin 2x, or it is written as like this, that is the y into dy by dx, that is equals to b square minus a square into sin x into cos x. Now remember this term, we will require this term afterwards. Now again differentiate this with respect to x. Now the derivative of dy by dx differentiate, that is a 2y into dy by dx. Now first we will differentiate the dy by dx. Its a derivative is 2y into d2y by dx square plus the derivative of y, that is a 2 into dy by dx into dy by dx is equals to b square minus a square, and the derivative of sin of 2x is cos of 2x into ddx of 2x, that is a 2. Now then I see this. Now here is a 2, 2 and 2. We will cancel from the whole equation, that is a 2. Then you will get y into d2y by dx square plus dy by dx into dy by dx means dy by dx bracket square, and that is equals to b square minus a square into cos of 2x. Now multiply on both sides by y square. This problem is very tough, but we will solve that. Now multiply on both sides by y square. Therefore, y square into y d2y by dx square plus again y square into dy by dx bracket square is equals to y square in bracket b square minus a square cos 2x. Now see this here, y square into y, that will become y cube, d2y by dx square, that is equals to, now see this term, that is y square into dy by dx. This is to the left hand side. If we take to the right hand side, it will become y square into dy by dx bracket square, and this term as it is, that is the y square in bracket b square minus a square cos 2x. Now see this here again, that is here is a y square, the value of y square. What is the value of the y square? It's a given in the question. It is a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. I substituted the value of y square is a square cos square x plus b square sin square x into b square minus a square. And what is the value of cos of 2x? The cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x minus y square into dy by dx bracket square. Now next, add on both sides by y raised to 4. Therefore, this term left hand side will become y raised to 4 plus y cube into d2y by dx square. That's equals to, in bracket, a square cos square x plus b square sin square x into, this term is as it is, that is a b square minus a square as it is, and the next is cos square x minus sin square x, this as it is. Next is minus y square into dy by dx plus y raised to 4, because we are adding on both sides by y raised to 4. Therefore, here you will get, that is a square cos square x plus b square sin square x in bracket b square minus a square and cos square x minus sin square x. Now see this, y square into dy by dx bracket square. It means y into dy by dx whole square, and plus y raised to 4 can be written as y square and bracket raised to 2. Y square and bracket raised to 2. Now see this here again. A square cos square x plus b square sin square x. In next bracket b square minus a square as it is. Cos square x minus sin square x. Again it is as it is. And here is the term. What is the value of y into dy by dx? We have the value of y into dy by dx. Now see this here, the value y into dy by dx. This is that is in bracket b square minus a square into sin x into cos x. Now see this, we substitute here the value of, what is the value of y into dy by dx bracket square. Therefore, the value of y into dy by dx is in bracket b square minus a square sin x into cos x bracket square. Next, plus, what is plus here? Y square, and it's a bracket square. But we know the value of y square. The value of y square is a square cos square x plus b square sin square x, which is given in the question. Now next see this here, a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Now the multiplication of b square minus a square into cos square x minus sin square x. What is their multiplication? That is a b square into cos square x. Here is b square into minus sin square x. That is b square into sin square x. Next, a square into cos square x. That is minus a square into cos square x. Next is, it is a minus and minus, that will become plus. That is plus a square into sin square x. Now the next, here is a, that is minus, here is a minus sign, and expansion of this, that is a b square minus a square whole bracket square. Here is a square sign, square bracket, it's a square. Now what is a square? That is a b raised to 4 minus 2a square b square plus a raised to 4 into square of sin x into cos x. That is a sin square x and cos square x. This way, up to this we have completed. Now the next, here is a square cos square x plus b square sin square x whole bracket square. Now whole bracket square means what? Here is a raised to 4 cos square x. The square of this bracket, I will repeat here, a square cos square x plus b square sin square x bracket square. Means what? A raised to 4 cos of x raised to 4 here. Plus last term square, that is a b raised to 4 sin of x bracket raised to 4. Plus 2 times a square b square plus 2 times a square cos square x into b square sin square x. Now again we will simplify here. The multiplication of, that is a square cos square x plus b square sin square x into b square cos square x minus b square sin square x minus a square cos square x plus a square sin square x. And this whole multiplication is written as here, that is a square b square cos of x bracket raised to 4. What about the second term? Here is a square cos square x, here is a minus b square sin square x, and that overall that will become a square b square cos square x to sin square x. Now the next term is that a square cos square x into a square cos square x. That will again become a raised to 4 and cos of x raised to 4. And the last is a square cos square x into a square sin square x. That is a raised to 4 into cos square x into sin square x. This is. Now the next. Here is a b square sin square x. B square sin square x into b square cos square x. That will become b raised to 4 cos square x into sin square x. And next is Now see this next multiplication, b square into sin square x into b square into cos square x. That will become b raised to 4 and the cos square x into sin square x. Next multiplication is a b square sin square x into minus b square sin square x. That will be the b raised to 4 sin x raised to 4. And next is b square sin square x into a square cos square x. That will become minus a square b square cos square x into sin square x. And the lastly, a square b square sin of x raised to 4 in this way. And the next minus in square bracket. Now here is a multiplication. That is sin square x into cos square x. Here is a b raised to 4. It has a minus sign outside the bracket. Therefore, it is a minus b raised to 4 cos square x into sin square x. What about here? Minus 2a square b square. But as here is a minus sign, but outside the bracket there is a minus sign, and this minus minus will become plus here. That will become 2a square b square cos sin square x and cos square x. Cos square x into sin square x. What about the last term? Here is again a raised to 4 into sin square x into cos square x. But again it has the minus sign. Therefore is a minus a raised to 4. Here is a minus sign. A raised to 4 cos square x into sin square x plus all these remaining terms. Which are the remaining terms? A raised to 4 cos square x plus b raised to 4 sin square x, a raised to 4 cos raised to 4x. Next is b raised to 4 sin of x raised to 4, and last is 2a square cos square x b square sin square x. All these terms. Now see this. The term only remain in this whole expression is a square b square cos raised to 4. This in yellow ink, and here is a square b square sin of x raised to 4, 2a square b square cos square x into sin square x, and all these terms, that is here is a minus a square b square and cos square x into sin square x. Here is a minus again, same term, but here is a 2 times. Therefore these 3 will get cancelled. And next is a minus a raised to 4 cos of x raised to 4. Here is a minus sign. It's a green in a green. Therefore these 2 will get again cancelled. And next see this here, plus a raised to 4 cos square x sin square x, and here is a minus sign. This will again get cancelled. And here is a b raised to 4 cos square x sin square x. This will again get cancelled. And here is a minus b raised to 4 sin of x raised to 4. Here is a plus b raised to 4 sin of x raised to 4. This term will get cancelled. Only the remaining term in this yellow ink, that is this 1, 2 and 3, and these are that terms. You see this here. What is here? A square b square cos square x plus 2 times a square b square cos square x into sin square x plus a square b square sin of x raised to 4. Now if you take a square b square common from this, then you will get cos of x raised to 4 plus 2 times sin square x cos square x plus sin of x raised to 4. Now this is the perfect square of cos square x plus sin square x bracket square, and its value is 1. That is equals to a square b square into 1, which is nothing but a square b square. And overall, that is here we have taken, that is a y raised to 4 plus y cube d2y by dx square. This overall all the expression that is equals to a square b square, and hence y raised to 4 into y cube into d2y by dx square is equals to a square b square, and that's we want to prove. Now next question is, if y log of y is equals to log of sin x minus x square, then show that d2y by dx square plus 4x dy by dx plus 4x square plus 3 bracket complete into y is equals to 0. Now we have given that is a log of y is equals to log of sin x minus x square. Now this x square can be written as in terms of the sign, that is in terms of the log, log of e raised to x square to the base e, that is its value is again x square. Therefore here see this, log of sin x minus log of e raised to x square. Here's a minus sign. By using the rules of logarithm, we can write here log of sin x upon e raised to x square. Now we can cancel on both sides the log term. Then you will get y is equals to sin x upon e raised to x square. Therefore y into e raised to x square is equals to sin x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. That is the derivative of y into e raised to x square. Now first is keep e raised to x square as it is. Derivative of y is dy by dx plus y into ddx of e raised to x square, that is equals to ddx of sin x. Now see this here, e raised to x square into dy by dx plus y into ddx of e raised to x square. The derivative of e raised to x square is e raised to x square into derivative of x square, that is equals to 2x, and derivative of sin x is cos x, and therefore we have the term that is a e raised to x square into dy by dx plus y into e raised to x square into 2x is equals to cos x. Now from these two terms we can take e raised to x square as common. Then in bracket you will get dy by dx plus 2xy bracket complete is equals to cos x. Now differentiate again with respect to x. Then now see this, these are the two terms. Apply the product rule here. First we'll differentiate the second term, that is e raised to x square as it is. Find the ddx of dy by dx plus 2xy. ddx of dy by dx plus 2xy plus. Next, keep the dy by dx plus 2xy as it is. Then find the ddx of e raised to x square. And to the right hand side, the derivative of cos x. The derivative of cos x is minus n. That is next, e raised to x square as it is. Now we will differentiate this. The derivative of dy by dx is dy by dx square plus. Now differentiate x into y. Now we'll apply here the product rule, that is a 2 into x. Derivative of y is dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1 bracket complete plus. Now the next term is dy by dx plus 2xy into ddx of e raised to x square is e raised to x square into ddx of x square, and that is equals to minus sign. Now see this again here, keep this term as it is, d2y by dx square. 2, now multiply this with 2, that is a 2x into dy by dx, 2y, and now next is here again we are taking the common from this term is so e raised to x square. Then you will get, now here is a e raised to x square and derivative of x square is a 2x. That is a e raised to x square into 2x into dy by dx. Okay, therefore here as we are taking the e raised to x square as common, and here is a derivative of x square is a 2x. Therefore 2x into dy by dx. Therefore 2x into dy by dx. Again 2xy into 2x. That will become 4x square y. Again see this here. From this term and this term you are taking e raised to x square common. This term will be as it is here, no problem. That is a d2y by dx square plus 2x dy by dx plus 2y plus. Now here the derivative of x square is a 2x into dy by dx. Derivative of x square is a 2x into 2xy, which is 4x square y square. Okay. Now the next is, here is a minus sin x, and therefore we have the value from the 1. Now see this here. The value of, here is, what is the value of sin x? The value of sin x is y into e raised to x square. Therefore we are substituting here sin of x, its value is y into e raised to x square. Therefore you will get e raised to x square to the right hand side, e raised to x square to the left hand side. We can cancel it. Therefore you will get d2y by dx square plus, this is a 2x dy by dx and 2x dy by dx. It will become 4x dy by dx. And next is, this is a 2y, 4x square y, and last is, here is a minus y. Because we are cancelling on both sides e raised to x square. And then you will get d2y by dx square plus 4x dy by dx plus, now this is minus y. It will come to the left hand side and it will become plus. Therefore it is a 3y plus 4x square y, that is equals to 0. Again we can take common from these two terms. What is a common? Y is common. Then in bracket you will get 4x square plus 3, and these two terms are as it is, and hence we have proved that that is a d2y by dx square plus 4x dy by dx into dy by dx plus 4x square plus 3 bracket complete into y is equals to 0. Now the next, if x is equals to a cos theta, y is equals to b sin theta, then show that, what is show that a square in bracket y into d2y by dx square plus dy by dx bracket square bracket complete plus b square is equals to 0. Now here x is equals to a cos theta, y is equals to b sin theta. This can be written as cos theta is equals to x upon a, sin theta is equals to y upon b. If you square and add it, then you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equals to y square upon b square plus x square upon a square, that is equals to 1. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equals to 1. This is the equation of the ellipse. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get the derivative of x square is a 2x upon a square plus 2y. Derivative of y square is a 2y into 1 upon b square into dy by dx. Derivative of 1 is 0 and you are getting this. Now the next we can cancel 2 on both sides, then you will get x upon a square plus y into 1 upon b square into dy by dx, and that's equals to 0. Now again differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, what is the derivative of x is 1. Therefore, it is 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square. Now the derivative of y into dy by dx. We'll apply here the product rule for the y into dy by dx. First, we are finding the derivative of y, which is dy by dx into dy by dx. This is the dy by dx plus y into derivative of dy by dx. What's the derivative of dy by dx? d2y by dx square, and that's equals to 0. Therefore, see this here, 1 upon b square in bracket dy by dx into dy by dx, that is the dy by dx bracket square plus y into d2y by dx square bracket complete, that is equals to minus 1 upon a square, and that's why dy by dx bracket square plus y into d2y by dx square, that is equals to minus. Therefore, in square bracket dy by dx bracket square plus y into d2y by dx square is equals to minus b square upon a square. Now multiply on both sides by a. On multiplying on both sides by a square, then you will get a square in bracket dy by dx bracket square plus y into d2y by dx square, that's equals to minus b square upon a square into a square. Here a square will get cancelled, and you will get a square in bracket dy by dx bracket square plus y into d2y by dx square bracket complete equals to minus b square, and hence a square in bracket dy by dx bracket square plus y into d2y by dx square plus b square is equals to 0, and this we want to prove. Now the next question, that is a question number 4. If y is equals to a cos of log x plus b sin of log x, then show that x square into y2 means d2y by dx square plus x into y1 means dy by dx plus y is equals to 0. Now see this here again, y is equals to a cos of log x plus b sin of log x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. The derivative y is dy by dx is equals to y1, and that is equals to derivative of a cos of log x is minus a. Derivative of cos is minus sin, that is the minus a sin log of x into ddx of log of x is 1 by x plus b. Derivative of sin of log x is a cos of log x into ddx of log x, which is 1 upon x. Again, we will take the 1 upon x common from these two, and this is written as y1 is equals to 1 upon x minus a sin log x plus b cos log x. Now again differentiate this with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of y1 is dy2, which is d2y by dx square. Now this differentiate this in, that is a 1 upon x. Now the derivative of first this square term. The derivative of sin of log x is cos of log x into ddx of log x is 1 upon x. Derivative of cos of log x is minus sin of log x into ddx of log x is 1 upon x. And therefore, here is a term is written as minus b sin log of in bracket 1 upon x bracket complete. Plus, now keep this term as it is. This term as it is, which is minus a sin log x plus b cos log x into ddx of 1 upon x, which is minus 1 upon x square. And now we'll simplify here. Now see this here, y2 is equals to, here is a 1 upon x and 1 upon x. Take 1 upon x as common, then in bracket you will get minus a 1 upon x square in square bracket minus a cos log x minus b sin log x minus, here is we can write this term as it is in this manner, that is minus 1 upon x, okay, in bracket b cos log x, okay, minus a sin log x. Here is a minus sign, its minus sign is here, and we have interchanged these positions of these two terms, which is b cos log x minus a sin log x upon x. Now see this here, y2 is equals to, and here again we can take minus signs common, that is a minus 1 upon x square in bracket a cos log x plus b sin log x, bracket complete minus 1 upon x into y1, that is you will get y2 is equals to minus 1 upon x square into y minus 1 upon x into y1. Now multiply on both sides by x square, then you will get x square into y2 minus y minus y x y1, and here is a x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equals to 0, and hence we have proved the result, that is x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equals to 0. Now the next question, if y is equals to a into e raised to mx plus b into e raised to nx, then show that y2 minus in bracket m plus n bracket complete into y1 plus mn into y is equals to 0. Now differentiate again this with respect to x. Therefore, you will get dy by dx, that is a y1 is equals to dy by dx, that is the derivative of e raised to mx is m into e raised to mx. Derivative of e raised to mx is e raised to mx. Its composite function, derivative of mx is m. Therefore, a m e raised to mx plus derivative of e raised to nx. Derivative of e raised to nx is nx, e raised to nx into ddx of nx, which is n. Now again here is a, that is a dy by dx. We are getting this term. Now again differentiate with respect to x, that is a d2y by dx square is equals to, again e raised to mx derivative is e raised to mx into ddx of mx is m, that is a into m square e raised to mx plus b into n square e raised to nx. And now see this here, simplification. What is that simplification? Here is the first is y2 in bracket m plus n into y1 plus mn into y, and that is equals to, now here is a y2, we are writing this term, okay, minus m plus n into y1. What is the value of, that is here is a y1 plus mn y, and if we simplify here, now see this here, that is a m square e raised to mx plus b n square e raised to nx minus m plus n, the value of y1. What is the value of y1? Here is the value of y1. What is that? A m e raised to mx plus b n e raised to nx. This is the value of y1. I had written here y1 plus mn, the value of y. That is the given question. What is the given question? A into e raised to mx plus b e raised to nx. This is the question. Now the normal multiplication is here. What is that? A m square e raised to mx. Here is a b n square e raised to nx. Next is multiplication. What are the multiplication of the bracket m plus n to the this bracket, that is a m e raised to mx plus b n e raised to mx, m into this term, that is a minus am square e raised to mx. Here is a minus sign outside the bracket, therefore it is a minus sign. Again m into this term, that is a minus b mn e raised to nx. Next is n into a m e raised to mx, that is a minus a mn e raised to mx, and last is minus b n square e raised to nx, and the overall the last is mn into, here is a mn into y, that is mn into a into e raised to mx, mn into, here is a b mn e raised to nx. This multiplication is here. Now again see this, the like in car here, this is yellow, this plus and this minus get cancelled. Again this green and this green will get cancelled, they are the like terms. And this is the minus a mn e raised to mx, this is a sky blue color, that is also get cancelled. This lavender also get cancelled, and overall we are getting the, it's a value 0, and therefore it is a y2 minus in bracket m plus n into y1 plus mn y that's equals to 0, and therefore we get y2 minus in bracket m plus n into y1 plus m plus sorry y2 minus in bracket m plus n into y1 plus mn y that's equals to 0. And in this way we have completed the question number 7 from the miscellaneous exercise. From next that is tomorrow I will upload the regular videos on the 12th standard and also revise exercise for the 11th standard. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.